Renanation. Renanation.
What's good? What's your poppin' with you? Thank you for clicking this video, and you already know what we doing today. Now today I will be making a waffle cake. And if you guys never heard of that, well, you just go ahead and put the little cake mix inside the waffle maker. So that's what I'm doing, and the reason why I'm doing it that way is because our oven is broken and I really want to do this video, and I just came up with this. So if you guys want to try this out, go ahead, and you guys will be seeing the finishing results. If it come out good, if it don't, we will see at the end, and that's just on period. Ingredients you guys will be needing in this video will be listed right here, and I also will enlarge it, of course, so you guys can see. So first things first, we're gonna go ahead and get our stuff and prep everything, and you guys will see that in a minute. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and click that notification button because it's there for a reason, of course. So we're just gonna get right into it. Don't forget, I'm also doing a mukbang / talk to you guys about how it tastes at the end, so stay tuned for that. And I'm also adding a little ice cream on top, of course, just to make it a little cake and ice cream action. Let's get into the video. So first you want to heat up your waffle maker, then get all the ingredients. What I have is 1% low-fat milk, a bowl, a spoon, the cake mix, and almost a half a cup of water. Once I open up the cake mix that I got from Dollar Tree, I'm going to actually mix that in with regular cake mix. But first thing you do is just pour in the powder. You add your milk, your water, until you get like a good consistency when you mixing it. So that's what I did, and just continue mixing it until it looks like it's ready to. Okay, so after you're done mixing all your cake mix and everything, your waffle maker should already be heated up. So once you put it in there, all you gotta do is close it. Boom. Okay, on my waffle maker I have a button that turns green if it's ready. I really don't have to watch it, but if you don't have a waffle maker like that, it shouldn't take that long, because based on like the timing versus the baking situation, it should come out the same way. So with a regular waffle maker, it should only take 3-4 minutes. So what I have to do is actually shake it so it can come loose a little bit off the thing, because I did not put oil. So but this waffle maker, it does not stick. Okay, this is the same process with the mixing situation and just putting it inside the waffle maker. So that's what I'm doing. I really don't have anything to explain in this section, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and click that notification button because it's there for a reason, and that's just on period. So based on the way you fill up the waffle maker is the way it'll come out. So I have half of waffles, but I will be doing a whole waffle. You guys will be seeing that in a few seconds, because this is when I filled it up all the way. As you can see, it's the thickest one in a bunch. Now that I finished making my waffle cakes, cake waffles, whatever I decide to name this video, that's what I'm gonna call them. I'm gonna call them cake waffles. So now that I'm done, I'm actually gonna just go ahead and clean up a bit. Now this is where you can get creative at. You can stack your waffles however you want to. I just stacked them and added the ice cream. And what I have is actually regular vanilla ice cream. I added a couple of scoops of that. And then I also have butter pecan ice cream, and I added some on that. And I also added pecans inside the ice cream as well, like whole pecans. Then later in the video, you will see me adding chocolate syrup on top. But this is the finishing look. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe down below. And now we're going to just give you guys a view of what's going on. What did I do in this video? So I hope you guys like the view and enjoy. Okay, you guys, now that I'm back, I'm gonna go ahead and introduce you to the cake waffle. And this is regular cake. I just put it on there. Pecan ice cream. And then some vanilla ice cream, okay? And we're gonna top it off with some chocolate syrup, okay? Not too much, not too little, just enough, you know? And then boom. And then we also got some icing we probably not gonna use, but I'm gonna be eating. So if I wanna put icing on it, I will. So this is what we got right now. Ew. Okay, so my lighting is going in and out because I don't have my bright light no more, so I'm gonna have to wait till it come in the mail. We're gonna start off with the ice cream with the little chocolate syrup. It's melting, that's why I'm trying to eat it. Look at it. Ain't that nice? Butter pecan ice cream is so good. And we're gonna try the cake waffle, which looks like this, but this one the only one that came out whole because I put a lot. I didn't know if I should put a lot because I didn't want it to overflow. But this is the cake waffle with a little ice cream on it. So we're gonna go ahead and try the cake waffle with a little ice cream on it. I like it. It hit different. Comment down below if you guys know what kind of cake this is. I like it. The ice cream is melting so fast. But it tastes so good. I most definitely would try this again. But now that I know it won't overflow, putting too much cake mix in it, I'm most definitely gonna try it again. But probably not with the brownie cake mix though, because I already tried it. Like a strawberry cake or something like that. Yes, sir. And then I got me some water. Whew, this is a little snack for me. I only ate breakfast today. It's nighttime now. It's so crazy. This is so good. Look at me over here eating it. Eating it all up. I think it'd be a good thing to do, like especially around kids. If they see waffles that look like cake, oh my god. I mean cake that look like waffles, they don't really want it. I don't know, I just came up with this idea. I don't know, I really don't know if people already did it, but I'm doing it on my channel. If you guys want to try this out, It's very easy. And it tastes just the same. Just shaped like a waffle. But anyways, comment down below and tell me, guys, if you want to try this, or you gonna try this, or you already tried it, because I want to know. I'm bored. Why not? Let me know. And I'm gonna tell you guys right now, it tastes so good. Little fat girl now ate half of the plate talking about it tastes so good. I know it tastes so good. It's gone now. Look, half the plate. But for real, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and click that notification button because it's there for a reason, of course. And don't forget to comment down below like I said. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video like I did while making it. But yeah, we just gonna go ahead and end out this video. I don't want to sit here and just run my mouth on the camera just eating. We got half more left. I'm gonna eat this off camera, but see you guys in the next video. And I hope you guys enjoy your day. So I'm gonna just go. Peace.